Hey people, what is up? This is Kes from You Want Pizzazz, and today you're going to be learning how to use auto-generated captions in Premiere Pro. Now, this is a function that I recently found out about, and it is a game changer, which is why I'm going to teach it to you today. So go ahead and open up Premiere Pro. This is a recent video that I've done on the history of the Wilhelm scream. It's a pretty good one if you want to check it out. I will leave it in the cards above. But I'm just using this video for the sake of this tutorial. So I've dragged this video onto a sequence, and now I'm gonna go to Window, and then open up Text. Okay, perfect. Now there's a nice little button that says Transcribe Sequence. Go ahead and click it. You're gonna select your language, and then when it comes to audio on track, you can decide whether you want to do a mix of all the audio layers, or you can pick a specific one. In this case, there's only one audio layer, so I'm just gonna hit mix. You can also choose to transcribe the in and out point only, so you can set in and out points beforehand, but I'm going to just hit transcribe here. And then give it time to work its magic. The longer the video you have, the longer it'll take. Okie dokie. Once this pops up, go ahead and click CC, Create Captions. And then we're gonna set these settings here. We're going to set it to subtitle default because this will give you the most flexibility. You'll be able to either burn the captions into your video or export it separately as a sidecar file. Subtitle, that's fine. You can set your maximum length in characters, the minimum duration in seconds, and also the gap between frames. I'm actually gonna leave these all the same, and then double lines is okay with me. I'm gonna hit create. Great, and you'll see that a new track has been created called Subtitle. If we move our cursor over, you'll see that titles have been created, and we're able to alter the style of these captions if you don't like the way they are already. So what I'll do is I'm gonna open up Window, Essential Graphics. I'm gonna go to Edit, and then I'm going to highlight all the subtitles like this. So with all the subtitles highlighted, I can go ahead and modify them. You can modify the font, the size, the placement, the color, and the shadow. Here is what I like to do. I like to go with a nice clean Helvetica regular. Yep, keep all that the same. I'm gonna make the fill white. I'm gonna take off the shadow, but then I'm gonna add a background. I'm going to make it a black. And then I'm going to make it a little bigger, and then curve the edges a little bit, maybe change the opacity. This is definitely based on preference, so go ahead and play around with these settings until you're happy with it, but this is what I typically go for my captions. Once you are done, I'm going to go through the video and make sure that everything's aligned. Some parts of the audio I don't want red. Wondering. So I'm going to start it here. I'm going to delete this first caption and drag this over and then add your to the beginning of this one. Hit play. You're probably wondering why this scream sounds so familiar. It could be because this sound effect has been used in over 200 films throughout American cinematic history. But where did this scream come from, and why do we still hear it in films today? So far so good. So just make sure to go through the entire thing and make sure that the spelling is correct, that everything is on the correct line, that whatever needs to be capitalized is capitalized, because this software is not perfect. It's pretty good, but it's not perfect. Alright, captions are done. So what is the next step? Once you're happy with the video, we can go ahead and export it. I'm going to just hit Command M. For PC users, that is Control M. And I'm going to just play with my settings here. I'm gonna open up Captions, and we have a couple of different options. Do you want to burn the captions into the video? Well, that's set up right here. So when you scroll through, this is what it'll look like on the video. But let's say you want to create a sidecar file. You can go ahead and go into these options and create a sidecar file, and then hit export. This is great for if you're uploading to YouTube and you want to add captions as an option. Alright, and when your export is done, check in the location that you exported your video, and you should find a .srt file. That is your sidecar file. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful or interesting, please give this video a like and subscribe to the You Want Pizzazz channel for more videos. We do Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop tutorials, so if that interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright, I will see you in the next one, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!